So we are welcome to today's live session. We'll be starting with GU. We'll start with GU. If you have any currency pair you want me to look at, please drop them on the chat box now. So that we can get touch with them. All right. So we're going to start with GU. So we'll start with our daily time frame. So let's start with our daily time frame. So for those that just joining us, the strategy I'm using is known as the smart money concept. So purely price action, no indicator, nothing, just price actions, price behavior. So now let's start our top-down analysis and go to smaller time frame to look for entry, like form of a day trading or a day trading. Sometimes some day trading can turn to a swing trade. So now we can see clearly that GU is bullish. It has been bullishing for, let's start from this place, since April 2024. So this is where we take off. So that's our low, swing low where we take off. Now let's quickly map out our break of structure, our market order flow. Why do we need to do this? It's very, very important so that we know the order flow, we know where we are in the market. So we have this break of structure here. So we have this is the last break of structure we have here. So on daily time frame. So daily time frame clearly now showing us that we are what? We are bullish. Now we have this, when we look at this, we have this imbalance that is here. The price has not mitigated this imbalance here. So we could see price coming to this to fill up this imbalance before a proper, maybe before a reversal, or price come to what? To take liquidity above here before we can see a clear reversal. Okay. So now, so clearly we are in uptrend. We are in uptrend. Daily says we are in uptrend. Weekly says we are what? In uptrend. So, and we have seen clearly that we are breaking structure. Now, after breaking structure, then I see mark out the base. So we have this base now which has not been mitigated. So we have this base has not been mitigated. So let's leave it in this way. Price fail to what? Mitigate this other block. Then before this break of structure. Now, so we have this other block be what? This one has been what? Mitigated already. So this one is clear. So we have this one mitigated already clearly. So let's bring it here. So we have that one mitigated clearly. Then this break of structure, price has not what? Mitigate this this here, the other block here. So all this is a sign that if price starts falling, then the probability of price coming, all this place will be what? A target for price, because they are unmitigated. Okay, like this one now, this already done. So, but this one is unmitigated. Now we have another break of structure which lead us to this word, this other block here. that it mitigated also. So now daily, now we now move to 4 hours. I decided to be breaking it like that down like this so that we ourselves can master the how to analyze chart like this. So now let's refine this other block here. So I want to refine this on 4 hours. So now on 4 hours, 4 hours has its own structure. So let's begin to analyze trade from 4 hours perspective. So this one is a daily order block. So let's go to 4 hours now and analyze structure for 4 hours. So under 4 hours, we have this break of structure. We have this last break of structure with that daily. Then now we can see there that this is the last break of structure we have. Then do we have another break of structure? Yes, we have a tiny break of structure here. So this is also a break of structure. This high, this place is a break of structure. Why is it a break of structure? Because price, you can see, break price caused this low before this high. So after this one, we do not have any other break of structure again. Now, what's price forming here? I can see that price is just forming a liquidity above this high. So gather liquidity that may push price to come to this to feed this imbalance here. So that is where we are for that. Now, I was last week on Monday when we did analysis, price was still here. And I said clearly that whatever that made price, I will be waiting for price, what price we do here. That if price sweep liquidity here, then I will look for a buy. But fortunately, price broke this low. Then this was the low that caused this break of structure. So yesterday, and this is the reason why I'm buying. I may be wrong, but I'm just following what market give to me to follow it in that way. So now we have this break of structure. This is the low. So I was waiting that, okay, as this momentum was coming, that this place would be a target for liquidity sweep. So if price if price close above this low, then it will become a break of structure. Then it means that price will come back to this low here, because this other block is still intact. This other block here. So whatever that made price fail below here now, then this is where I'll be looking for a buy opportunity on GU. So this place it must hold for buyer to push price up. Failure, then price will be looking at to buy opportunity from this low. Why? Because this is the low that this is the low. This is other block that caused the breaking of this structure. So now we are dealing with this low. So let's now move to H1 now, H1 time frame. Now we begin to H1 time frame. So this you can see now that H1, now you can see that this place is break of structure clearly. So now this is the other block. This is the other block that break that structure on H1. So I see price came to the other block, sweep liquidity below it, and we have a reversal immediately. So now I will stop at, so we'll now move to the last entry, this thing now. So let's refine our what? Our other block. So refinement of other block. So here, so good. So 15 minutes is what? Now, when you see clearly, you can see that everything here was just liquidity pool for price. So clearly now, here, trend line, as I was used to say, it's a liquidity for price. You can see. So this was liquidity, and price has come to do what? To clear all the liquidity below that place. So moving forward now, so we have, so price has come to do what? To mitigate. So now, and that's where I started buying yesterday. So immediately I saw 4 hours liquidity sweep. Then I wait for what? To see if price will give me a change of character. Now, let's analyze on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes now, structure, every time frame has its own structure. So we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. Now we have this, we have this. So this is the last low. Then we have this. Now, clearly now, we have this. Now we have this. Now we have this. Now we have this. So which we expect it to come like this. So now let's look at it now. So on 15 minutes, 4 hours gave us a liquidity sweep bouncing from this other block, 2 hours other block. Then we have this low. So now you have understand that structural base now. So we have this, we can say, okay, this we have a mini change of character here. Likewise here, we have it, boom, in this area. So we have our coach there. So now, immediately I saw, so I was waiting for price to then entry. So now I'm in the trade, and then my target is this high. So I something of this nature. So I this is where I joined the trade. So targeting this assuming price we do what? So let's go back to, let me turn it back to 2 hour time frame. So those of us that maybe you are not in the trade, it's still good to enter. It's still good to enter, and if you want to enter, maybe you just do a buy order, instant buy. If you want to buy, so if you are buying it, your stop loss is coming below here. That would be around. Let's say you are buying here now. So your stop loss will be around 50 pips, which is still okay. So your stop will be around around 50 pips. So let's see how the market we roll. So you can see clearly we have this liquidity sweep here. Those of us that know understand what the liquidity concept strategy. So failure, if price come back to take this low, then means that they are not ready to buy the market. But I think now, looking at GU go back to this place. So we are done with GU. So another one on my radar, quick one before I check your AUDUSD. I'm also in this trade. AUDUSD, the same format on AUDUSD. So let me delete everything, and I'm ready on the trade. So from our daily time frame, so from daily, clearly, in fact, there's something I want to point out from monthly. From monthly, there's something I want to point out from AUDUSD. Why we could bullish AUDUSD in a very good way. So you can see now on monthly that we have been bearish. Then price came. Look at it. Price stock. Price stock in this area. So this area, we have price stock in this area. Price fails to break, then we have a bounce now. So now clearly this was a a a high that price failed to close above for a while. Now we have this bullish evidence, this monthly candle that closed slightly above that place. So that is one. Then if you look at that, you put our trend line in this way, in this way. Now we have this touch, close of price fail to close above it. Then now we have a clear break, retest it and pass. So now we could see GU going very far. So first target of GU, we have this place. All this low, we have this place, all couple of all these places. So we have price here. So this place will be the next target where GU is going. Then another one is all this drawn liquidity that is here. So monthly is pointing AU. Monthly is pointing AU as a bullish. Monthly is bullish on AU. So we just want to align with what the higher time frame is saying. So let's go to weekly now and refine two things on weekly. So on weekly now, clearly we can see that weekly is bullish. Weekly is bullish. Monthly is bullish. You can see the price has been ranging all year down. We have a clear breakout on weekly, and this guy is forming a retest for it. He has formed the retest. So daily now, where we begin to look at daily, where we begin to look at market structure now. So we begin to look at market structures of daily. So now, so this is first target on draw liquidity for us. So daily now, let's analyze on daily. Clearly, daily has been giving us a break of structure. So let's only deal with the last break of structure we have, which is this place. So we have this break of structure to the upside on daily, boom. So we have that. We have a break of structure there. Then this is the origin that caused the break of structure has not been mitigated. So in the nearest future, price is coming back to this zone. Now to H4, so 4 hours. So on 4 hours now, so this is daily break of structure. Now let's look at 4 hours. Let's now analyze price on 4 hours. So we have this low, we have this. So 4 hours. Let me now delete the daily and look at, let's do 4 hours break of structure. So we have price, give us a change of character here. So we have break of structure there. Let's begin to mark it up. We have another break of structure. Boom. Then we have, this is the last one. This is the last break of structure we have here. So get it. So we have this break of structure here. So now where's the origin that caused this break of structure? Is this one. So this is the origin. It has price failed to mitigate the origin. So let's leave it that way. Now, clearly now, this line, this trend line, 0.68 from weekly, this was a strong resistance line on weekly that we have a monthly close above this zone. So this will become on monthly, because we have a monthly close above this zone, this trend line with this support, this resistance there become a support. So this line become a strong base from monthly to weekly, and that's why you see price Price tried to close below it. What happened? Price rejected back, and we have a retest. So this retest now has confirmed that price is no longer coming here again. So with this sweep of liquidity below here, it's a confirmation that price is nothing to do with this place again. So let's move to 2 hours. So on 2 hours, so we can see we have this low, we have this guy. I only watch out for all these major low. So let me delete this now. I don't need this again. So all this major low, I only look out for what liquidity sweep. What price will do when price get to this all this kind of low. So and whatever that make price to close below this low, then it means that price will come back to this other block. But what happened? Price fail. It sweep liquidity and return back bullish. What price only do mitigate this imbalance here. So now GU confirmation on GU that we are bullish on GU. So we are bullish on GU. Any pullback for you, you can enter. This is where I enter this money. Then this I am going to swing it a long swing. So stop loss is below this swing low. So and now we have what we call swing low confirmation. Swing low is a three candle formation where you have the first candle, the middle candle is longer than the first candle, and the third candle they confirm a bullish. So this is AU. So I have these two trades I am in now, GU and AU for bullish. So these are the two trades that I am in. So let me see your own. Let me see what you want me to talk about. Okay, EU. I'll talk about GU. Okay, GJ, EU, GJ, and gold. Okay. Now let me quickly talk about GJ. GJ, I was buying GJ yesterday, but I exit the trade, and I'm regretting that I exit that trade because GJ is buying. I exit because I was having I don't want to have too much trades running at the same time. But it was a painful. This way I start buying GJ. I can tell you this was I bought GJ yesterday, and immediately got to this place I exit. So no, okay, yes, yeah, I exit around here because when I saw this red candle, I just exit the trade because of my GU trade. So GJ, we are bullish daily. So let's analyze it on daily. Let's look at price action on daily. Now, on daily, we have to start from this zone where this thing started from. So we have break of structure, break of structure. So this is the last break of structure that's clearly that we have, right? Now, but what happened? Price changed character here. So we have a clear change of character here. So we have a very clear change of character here, right? So now this have given us a bearish. But what happened now is that price tap into this other block here. Then you can see price tap into this other block, and then we have price bullish. So now on daily, we can confirm that we are bullish now. We have another one. It's clearly change of character here now on daily. So we have our change of character there on daily. So jumping to 4 hours now. So 4 hours says we are bullish. So now this is a daily confirmation that where we change character. So let me leave it like this. Let's now begin to analyze price structure from 4 hours. You must do this to see where you are in the market. So we have a change of character on 4 hours here. So we have change of character, 4 hours change of character, the confirmation. Then we have a break of structure. Let me use this. Boom. Now we have another word, another break of structure. Boom. Now, this break of structure here, this was the other block. Because this other block has not been mitigated, when price just go up and break another structure here, you can see price came back to mitigate this other block. So this has been mitigated, and we have boom, price spring up. So now 2 hours time frame. So on 2 hours, so let me go to 1 hour. H1. Now H1, let me go to another. Oh, why did I leave this trade? It was a fantastic trade. So H1, we have our 4 hours other block mitigated. Then boom, we have, let's analyze. We have this low, this high, this low, this high. So on 1 hour, we have what? Another change of character that tells us that what? We are resumed back to what? Bullish. So we have this change of character. Then we have this other block on 4. This whole candle here. Oh, we have 9 minutes to go. So this whole candle here is the other block. But when you refine it, so you can go to 30 minutes and refine this other block there. So refinement. So this is it. So when I refined it, and this is where I bought. So now GBPJPY is already buying. You cannot jump enter again unless you see what unless this high is taking. So for this, when this high is taking, then the next thing, let's say that high is taking, then wait for this other block, then we can continue buying. So GJ is buying. So quickly on gold. So gold now, we just saying what we are on gold because of time's sake. So gold. So for 4 hours, we look at gold for 4 hours. So gold now is we are ranging on gold for 4 hours. I bought gold from here. I think I posted yesterday. I bought gold from here and I exit here. That was a very right. The same concept of price came to the other block, break of structure, wait for the other block, buy and exit here. I can see what price did. But now where we are, two things is whether price come here, give us a break of structure above all-time high, or sweep liquidity above all-time high, or price come back to this low, sweep liquidity and we buy it back, or we have a break of structure, or give us a break of structure, then there'll be price-based structure to the downside. Where are we looking at gold again? This is the next other block that gold will likely come to. So from here, I'll be looking forward another good buy from gold. So from this area, so that would be a confirmation that okay, a confirmation that gold on smaller time frame they will buy. So this is gold. This is my gold. How I'm looking at gold to buy from. So, but if price come back, is a price sweep liquidity in these 4 hours and close bullish back above 2000, 2624. When I say liquidity sweep, then the next thing I will look for a bullish evidence and I will buy. So that is good. Last not the least, Euro USD. So Euro USD, I'm waiting for to buy Euro USD from this other block. Simple. So there's nothing much here. I'm waiting for Euro USD to buy. You can see I already have my buy bias on that. Same concept of break of structure. Then this is your other block that break the structure. We have a lot of fair value gap that not be mitigated. Then you can see this was a liquidity pool. Price has swept liquidity. If price can only come back here, my stop loss is 20 pips. That the entry is I already sent this on the I sent it on the community. That is the Telegram. I snap screenshot it like this. Go the price. I'm looking to buy Euro USD at 1.10146 and stop loss at 1.09945. You can write that down and take profit back to all this liquidity that is pulling here, 1.12011. So looking at to buy Euro USD from this. So I call the entry price again, 1.10146, stop loss 1.09945. Then you can take profit anyhow. I pray that price come to that place. So for